Picture this. Your phone rings. It's the IRS. They know your name. They know where you live. They say you owe back taxes. And if you don't pay right now, you're going to be arrested. Your heart drops. Here's what I want you to do. Hang up. I am Ron Siegel, certified liability advisor, helping families build wealth through strategic debt management. Tax scams do not all look the same, but they all want the same thing. Your money, your identity, your refund, sometimes all three. Most scams fall into three buckets: phone scams, phishing emails, and phony tax preparers. Let me walk you through each one. Bucket one, phone scams. These are the most common and the most aggressive. A caller pretending to be from the IRS knows your name and maybe your address. They tell you that you owe taxes. They threaten you with arrest or deportation if you do not pay immediately. Some flip it the other way. They say the IRS owes you a refund and they need your bank account information to send it. Here is the rule. The IRS will never demand payment in a phone call. The IRS will never threaten to bring in law enforcement on a call. The IRS will never ask for your credit or debit cards by phone. If you hear any of that, you're talking to a scammer. Hang up. Do not engage. Do not give them anything. If you want extra protection during tax season, do what a lot of careful people do. Let voicemail pick up calls from numbers you do not know. It's much easier to recognize a scam when you listen back to a recording than it is in real time when fear is doing the driving. If you get hit with one of these calls, report it. Local police, the Federal Trade Commission, and the Treasury Inspector General or Tax Administration at 800-366-4484. Write that down, 800-366-4484. Bucket two, phishing. This is email or text that pretends to be from the IRS. The newest version asks you to update the IRS e-file or profile. Click the link, enter your information, and now they have your Social Security number, which is the master key to your financial life. With a Social Security number, a scammer can file a tax return in your name, claim your refund, and disappear before you know it happened. Rules for phishing. Never open an email claiming to be from the IRS. The IRS does not contact you by email about your account or refund. Stay away from any website that looks suspicious or promises a refund that sounds too big. Never give out your Social Security number in response to any email request. Bucket three, phony tax preparers. Not everyone who offers to do your taxes is a legitimate tax preparer. The IRS requires every preparer to have a preparer tax identification number called a PTIN. If they do not have one, walk away. The IRS keeps a public directory of credentialed preparers. Use it. Be careful of the preparers who base their fees on the size of your refund or suggest your refund gets sent directly to them or cannot file electronically or refuse to sign your return. Be careful of anyone promising sky-high deductions or claiming to hide your money or telling you to sign a blank return. If they file a fraudulent return in your name, the penalties land on you, not them. The safe path is simple. Work with people you trust, people you follow the law, people who care about your financial security. Now, I am a lender, not a tax preparer, not a CPA. I refer my clients to professionals I know and trust when tax questions get serious. That referral is part of how I look after the families I work with. Strategy beats rate always. And strategy includes protecting the money you already work for. If you want to lock down your financial picture, including making sure your accounts and your credit are healthy, go to rsrlinks.com/keysteps. That's rsrlinks.com/keysteps. Same tool I share with my clients for budgeting, tracking assets, and watching their credit. Use it, then book a call with me if you want to walk through your full plan. I am Ron Siegel, your certified liability advisor, helping families build wealth through strategic debt management. Thanks for listening to the Borrow Smart segment brought to you by rsrwealthbuilder.com, rsrwealthbuilder.com.